Okay, so I'm going to do top dressing now, and then I'm going to give this a good rinse. I'm going to top dress because it looks good. Okay, no other reason except for the fact that it looks really good when you top dress. Actually, there's a lot of other benefits of top dressing. Top dressing soil actually helps prevent some pests getting into the soil. Also, it helps prevent disturbance during watering. So it's a lot of different benefits to it. Also, it puts weight on the soil, so it's less likely to move around, you know. Oh shit, that's heavy. Okay, oh, God, okay. So, all right, so okay, there we go. That's nice top dressed. I'm gonna hose it down. Okay, I'm gonna hose it down. I'm going to hose it down, compact the soil, and same time wash my hands. I don't want to do okay. Okay, there. By the way, I've decided what I'm going to do with the two bulbs here. I saw this online the other day. This is where I have to thank social media, and the algorithm knows me so well. It shows me airstrikes and bomb explosions and plant. So wash all the dirt off. Now, okay, and then I'm gonna actually I need to move it out of there. That's shit. There we go. I'll work on that later. I'll probably use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, I don't care about the back of the pot because no one sees that. I'm going to look at it from the perspective of which I want to present the plant, which is this. And there you go. There. So there we go. here you have it. Okay, restarted, ready for the spring and the next few years of its life that I'm not going to touch anymore because it's a bitch. It's a bitch.